Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You want speed? Begin now. Use an 18W or higher USB-C power delivery charger with a USB-C to Lightning cable and plug directly into a wall outlet. Once connected, remove any thick case and place the iPhone flat to improve airflow. Heat slows charging. Make sure the port is clear of debris. If you're in a hurry, enable airplane mode to reduce radio activity. This cuts background drain and lets the battery accept current faster. Continue by minimizing power draw so charging current goes straight to the battery. Enable airplane mode and close streaming or gaming apps. Keep the screen off. Once done, temporarily disable background app refresh and location services for apps that aren't needed. Use certified cables and avoid third-party cheap adapters. They limit PD negotiation. Monitor the phone's temperature. If it gets warm, pause use and let it cool so the system won't throttle charging speed. Complete the session by letting the iPhone reach the desired level. Fast charging is most effective up to about 50–80%, then slows to protect the battery. Top off if you need 100%. Once done, unplug and re-enable your normal settings. If fast charging doesn't happen, check the charger and cable for PD labeling, try another outlet or charger, restart the phone, and inspect the Lightning port for lint. These fixes resolve most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.